How is sentiment analysis related to natural language processing? In today's fast-paced digital world, understanding how people feel about products and services is more important than ever. Just yesterday, companies were discussing their strategies for improving customer engagement through technology. One key area gaining attention is sentiment analysis, which is closely linked to natural language processing. Viewers are likely curious about how these two concepts work together and what it means for businesses today. Sentiment analysis is a specific application within the broader field of natural language processing. Natural language processing involves the computational techniques used to understand and generate human language in a way that machines can comprehend. In contrast, sentiment analysis focuses on identifying emotions, opinions, or attitudes expressed in various forms of content, such as text, audio, images, or video. This analysis classifies sentiments as positive, negative, or neutral, enabling businesses to gauge customer feelings and public opinion. The relationship between sentiment analysis and natural language processing can be summarized in a few key points. Sentiment analysis relies on natural language processing methods to process and analyze language data. It uses machine learning algorithms trained on large datasets to identify patterns that indicate sentiment. Human-labeled data is often utilized to train these models, allowing for a nuanced understanding of language, including sarcasm or irony. This human input improves the accuracy of sentiment classification. Advanced natural language processing techniques, including those involving large language models, can further enhance sentiment analysis. These models can generate contextually appropriate interpretations and reason about sentiment expressed in complex language. Sentiment analysis is just one of many tasks covered by natural language processing, which also includes language translation, summarization, and question answering. However, it is particularly focused on the emotional or opinion-based content of language. In the context of artificial intelligence and machine learning, sentiment analysis showcases how natural language processing techniques are applied to real-world challenges. This includes customer feedback analysis, social media monitoring, and market research. There are ethical considerations surrounding data privacy, bias in training data, and sentiment interpretation that must be managed carefully. Tools like ChatGPT and other artificial intelligence models contribute to sentiment analysis by providing powerful language understanding capabilities. These tools can be integrated into productivity plugins and creative applications, such as generating responses or analyzing user-generated content. Additionally, models like DALL-E and Midjourney focus on image generation but can complement natural language processing tasks by providing multimodal analysis capabilities. Overall, sentiment analysis serves as a practical example of how natural language processing techniques are employed within artificial intelligence and machine learning to interpret human language and emotions. This enables more responsive and intelligent systems that can better meet the needs of users.